Mother Earth. We need to recycle so that Mother Earth could be free, be healthy and free.
Kinasaludoan kita. Hey!
We're going to tell the children. If you're listening to this, we're telling you to recycle and do the 5 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and repair. It will help Mother Earth and let us live longer. Yeah. So it could be healthy and safe.
Wear masks.
Already am. Let's get ready. Yeah. That's our daddy helping us to give the trash to us. Rice terraces!
Glasses trees.
What?
Nice glasses.
So many pine trees.
May tao.
Oh, I missed Baguio. Excuse me.
Nagpipicture lang silang
I saw
ganyan.
corgi
Kunwari
this
nasa
color.
Baguio.
It's called like corgi.